What are laundry doors typically made from? Laundry doors can be made from solid timber, solid composite construction, or fiberglass, and incorporating glazing is a good way of letting natural light into a smaller, darker laundry area. As external entrances, laundry doors should be made from a solid, robust material that will protect your home against the elements and against intruders. We use Pacific ash timber for our solid wood laundry doors, such as the Arcadia and Balmain collections, because it is a stable and robust material, but it also offers plenty of choice when it comes to the design and finish. We also have a wide choice of solid composite doors, such as the Regent and Torrens ranges, which come with a primed high moisture resistant skin for excellent robustness and protection against the elements. Our exclusive ClimActive doors are made from a polyurethane core and a fiberglass skin for the ultimate in resilience, insulation and durability, while the innovative Guardian 2-in-1 security door incorporates either solid timber or an HMR skin with marine grade 316 stainless steel and Doors Plus safe glass. Our Claremont French doors in single light and 10 light designs combine Pacific ash timber with glass to let plenty of light into your laundry area, so that it feels bigger, brighter, and more airy. The Harmony range with integrated Venetian blind allows you to control the light and privacy in your laundry room using safe glass for added safety, security, and durability. There is a wide range of designs, finishes, and glazing options to choose from, so whatever material you go for, you can find the right laundry door for you at Doors Plus.